Hello and welcome to CIS 161, Fundamentals of Telecommunications, a unique in-class and/or online course that is composed of 14 multimedia-rich online modules, online quizzes, and a number of labs and take-home projects in which you will build and test working telecommunications devices, circuits, and networks, all at your own pace. For those of you who are attending our on-campus classes, you will also experience lectures by our industry-knowledgeable instructors, listen to guest speakers, and conduct many more hands-on labs in our telecommunications lab. I'm Ted Chandler, CIS instructor at Cuyamaca College and principal investigator for the Institute for Telecommunications Technologies, located here on our campus and sponsored by the National Science Foundation. This course on telecommunications consists of 14 modules, each with 40 to 50 audio-rich slides that you can control by stopping, backing up, or going forward all at your own pace. Each module also has an associated quiz that you are expected to complete before going on to the next module. Additionally, there are a number of labs in which you will build telecommunications circuits and devices. 4 of these labs are take-home projects to give you time to complete all your projects at your own pace. In addition to the 14 quizzes, you will have an online midterm and final exam. Please see the course syllabus for the scheduling of the tasks that you are required to complete before passing this course. So let's take a look at what we're going to cover in this unique online course on telecommunications. This course introduces you to the technologies behind telecommunications, beginning with how signals are generated by manipulating current. It covers the history of telecommunications technology and policy and how this policy led us to the public telephone network familiar to us today. It also explains the many ways data signals can be encoded and transmitted. This course also explains the end-user devices and the equipment located in the telephone company's central offices. Additionally, this course illustrates how networks are designed and what transmission media they may use. Finally, this course closes with a look at convergence, or the exchange of voice, video, and data over a single IP network. Now let's take a look at the individual course modules that compose this online course. Telecommunications Overview, Module 1, introduces the different types of telecommunications services and describes how they are used. It also introduces the most prominent standards organizations that contribute to global telecommunications specifications. Module 2, Principles of Telecommunications Technologies, explains how electrical current is used to generate telecommunications signals, illustrates the differences between analog and digital signals, and discusses the ways data is encoded and measured. Module 3, The Evolution of Telecommunication Technologies and Policies, guides you through the evolution of telecommunications signaling and transmission from the invention of the telephone to computerized switching. The public network outlines the types of services that deliver telephone and telecommunications services to nearly every American household. In Module 5, Customer Premises Equipment Applications, we discuss telecommunications and services from an end-user standpoint. Signaling and Switching explains common modulation and multiplexing techniques that is used in telecommunications transmission. And in Module 7, Data Networking Fundamentals, we introduce the OSI model, the components of a client-server network, and protocols such as TCP/IP and IPX/SPX. In Module 8, Physical Transmission Media, we provide detailed information about coaxial cable, UTP twisted pair copper cables such as Cat5e and Cat6, and optical fiber cable. Module 9, Wireless Transmission and Services, we describe the unique signaling and transmission techniques used with wireless telecommunications, including cellular telephone networks, satellite communication, and wireless LANs. Network access and transmission methods explains data network topologies and network access methods such as Ethernet and ATM. It also describes T-carriers, DSL, and ISDN that can be used for both data and voice communications. Module 11, Data Network Conductivity, We examine the components that allow computers, IP telephones, and other devices to communicate across a data network. Internet Standards and Services explains how the Internet, the largest and most varied network in the world, came to be and where it is going from here with Internet 2. Information Security addresses the security concerns inherent to all telecommunications technologies. And finally, Module 14, Convergence of Voice, Video, and Data, we present an example of how one IP network can carry voice, video, and data. Finally, in this course, you will complete 14 online exams and take a midterm and final exam. If you are attending the on-campus class, you will also conduct 20 additional labs in which you will construct and test circuits and networks. The take-home kits include how to solder and identify discrete electronic devices, construct and test an optical fiber telecommunications channel, build and test a working telephone, and build and test an AM/FM radio. If you have any questions about this unique online course, please do not hesitate to contact me. So let's get started on Module 1, Telecommunications Overview.